artificial vlogger na nandito po ngayon. The Waray TV, sa kanyang official YouTube account, and of course, the Southern Mark Cable TV for the live coverage.
The Annunciation Parish have played a significant role in our lives as a couple, as it was here during the Fiesta 14 years ago that our paths first crossed. So when we were asked to represent LGU and Liga ng mga Barangay sector in the Most Popular Couple 2023, we couldn't turn down the opportunity and embraced it as a meaningful way to return the favor for all the incredible blessings in our lives, especially the gift of our marriage and the joy of raising our two precious children, Lexus Erin and Lexter Eras. Being one of the candidates for the Most Popular Couple 2023 has been an incredibly rewarding experience, providing us the privilege to serve as instruments of kindness and generosity. This journey has not only strengthened our bond, but also allowed us to give back to the community in meaningful ways, reminding us of the importance of using our blessings to contribute for a greater cause. To the newly crowned Most Popular Professionals 2024 and their royal court, our huge congratulations on this impressive achievement. It's truly a record-setting honor. Your generous nature will undoubtedly bring you countless blessings. Congratulations once more. Of course, we extend our deepest respect to the Our Lady of Annunciation Cathedral Parish Ministry and all the devoted individuals for their relentless work in fostering unity within the community through God's grace. Let's recognize their hard work with a hearty round of applause. Ultimately, we direct our highest praise and appreciation to the Almighty Father, for without His love and mercy, none of this would have been achievable. Couple 2023, expressing our thanks and wishing blessings for everyone.
Popular Couple 2023, Mr. and Mrs. Lister and Emerald Ibarra. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's welcome our Most Popular Professionals 2024, representing the National Offices Agency. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Engineer Ram Daniel C. Calagos and Engineer Crescent Joy Francisco. Born on February 18, 1998 in Calbayog City, Samar. And Engineer Crescent Joy Francisco. At this juncture, I'd like to request the runners-up to please stand as we begin the coronation rites. The crown for the king will be put on by Dr. Norbert Lingling D. Uy and Attorney Juanita Lilet Dato Abuel. And the crown for the queen will be placed by Attorney Efren Sabo, our provincial administrator, and Miss Emerald E. Guevara.
Sabong. And the scepter for the Queen will be handed by Vice Mayor Francisco Rosales and Dr. Lea Moore Mangada.
We come now to the donning of the cake for the king. This will be done by Municipal Administrator Mr. Rene Isidera and Miss Ana Hernandez Uy. And cake for the queen will be done by Reverend Father Potenciano Dulay and Dr. Maria Teresa de Asis. I'd like to call on Municipal Administrator Mr. Rene Isidera to don the cake with Miss Ana Hernandez Uy to our king. Municipal Administrator Mr. Rene Isidera, I'd like to call on Reverend Father Gimel Varela to don the cake to our king with Miss Ana Hernandez Uy. your most popular professionals of 2024, Engineer Ram Daniel Calagos and Engineer Christian Joy Francisco and their court.